One thing that has remained a constant source of joy and inspiration for me is the art of using natural elements to style my home for Christmas. There's just something about the simplicity and beauty that nature brings to our homes, from the crisp aroma of pine needles to the sweet smell of dried oranges. It's these small, natural touches that truly make the season come alive. And what adds an extra layer of charm, along with using all these natural elements, is using thrifted pieces. I'm excited to share with you how this combination of natural elements and thrifted gems are used to create my very budget-friendly Ralph Lauren-inspired tablescape.
When everything is white, glimmering silver white, and stillness fills the night, it's Christmas, a winter wonderland, a snowball in each hand. Take me away, Christmas Day. There's joy in the air, family's near. We give thanks for this past year. Oh, nothing compares to the love that we share. Oh.
One way that I save money when it comes to creating tablescapes for the holidays is with my tablecloths. I don't usually buy tablecloths. I'll just go to the thrift store and buy rolls of fabric. I can usually pick up a roll of fabric for $5, and this is just a really inexpensive way to create some beautiful texture to your tablescape without spending a fortune. I had 2 rolls to choose from in my stash, and I thought the white would look a lot better because it had some beautiful texture on it, and I think it looks a little bit better with all the other elements. In the past, I have had these professionally hemmed, and I've hemmed them myself with just some tape that you iron, but this year I did not have time to do any of that, so I just took scissors to it and called it a day. As I was creating this video, I had a fight with a folding table and ended up breaking some items on my sideboard. Funny thing is, I did the exact same thing last year as I was setting up my Thanksgiving tablescape. So note to self, get help setting up the folding tables next year.
Told lies. I can only hope that Santa Claus and my records agree. Then maybe this year Santa's coming home to me. I have found the perfect tree and dressed it to the nines. I've even made little gingerbread Santas. There's nothing left to chance. This year, Santa's coming home to me.
Well, I'm all for Christmas, all the happy smiles and the wishes, and I want it all from the lights to the mistletoe. Tell me one thing, is there anything that you're missing? I will keep you warm as soon as you remove that snow. Whatever we do, we will be alright. These holiday wonders will open your mind. May all your wishes tonight come true. The love I lived, the dream I knew. This Christmas I only wanna be close to you.